Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll dive into an in-depth comparison of the best LLC formation services. Helping you find the right one for your business, we'll be covering the key features, pricing, and which service might best suit your needs. If you'd rather skip the hassle of forming an LLC yourself, stick around until the end of this video while I'll share a special offer from Northwest Registered Agent that lets you form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. Now let's jump right into the comparison. So the first one would be Bizee. Formerly known as Inkfile, Bizee offers an affordable and streamlined LLC formation experience. With plans starting at $0 plus state filing fees, they provide one of the most budget-friendly options. Bizee's intuitive platform guides you through the LLC formation process step by step, making it easy even for first-time entrepreneurs. Their standout feature: a free year of registered agent services across all packages, saving you additional costs and ensuring your legal documents are managed properly. And now next up is ZenBusiness. ZenBusiness is known for its comprehensive support and resources, catering to entrepreneurs at every stage. With a strong reputation built on excellent customer reviews and over 15,000 positive Trustpilot ratings, ZenBusiness offers a worry-free compliance guarantee. Their plans also start at $0 plus state fees, and they offer a free business education academy for entrepreneurs, ensuring you have the knowledge and tools to grow your business. They also provide ongoing compliance reminders, which is key for staying in good standing with your state. And now, last but not the least, Northwest Registered Agent. Northwest Registered Agent is my top recommendation. Stands out for its exceptional customer support and privacy protection services. With over 20 years of experience, they offer personalized, knowledgeable support through dedicated account representatives, meaning you'll always have someone to turn to. They also prioritize privacy by providing their business address to keep your personal information off public records. While Northwest Registered Agent charges $39 plus state filing fees for LLC formation, this price includes the first year of registered agent services, making it a fantastic value for those looking for expert assistance without hidden fees or upsells. So now here comes the big question: which LLC formation service is best for you? Each of these services has unique strengths that cater to a different business needs. So for Bizee, it is perfect for business conscious entrepreneurs who want a user-friendly, straightforward formation service with free registered agent support for the first year. And now, ZenBusiness, on the other hand, is ideal for those who value ongoing support and education. Their free resources and worry-free compliance services ensure that you remain compliant even as your business grows. And now for Northwest Registered Agent, it is best for business owners who prioritize personalized customer service, privacy, and a hassle-free formation experience without hidden upsells. Their transparent pricing and strong privacy policies offer peace of mind for long-term business owners. If you want to make LLC formation simple and stress-free, I highly recommend using the links in the description below. And I recommend using Northwest Registered Agent for this one because with their $39 offer, you can get your LLC formed quickly plus receive personalized support to ensure everything is done right. And that wraps up our comparison for the best LLC formation services. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.